Hola amigos, with Dia de Muertos right around the corner, I wanted to share some of my favorite food and drinks to celebrate. Remember, you don't have to be Mexican to celebrate. Everyone is welcome in honoring the life of their loved ones no longer here. I'll have another video talking more about building your own altar, so stay tuned for that. And the recipes that you see in the video are all linked in the description. So my favorite main dishes to celebrate are mole ranchero, red or green pozole, chile rellenos, enchiladas, enfrijoladas, and enmoladas. Tamales are one of my favorite foods for special occasions, and they are also commonly eaten for Day of the Dead. In the Yucatan Peninsula, they have pibi pollo, and it's wrapped in banana leaves and baked in a pit in the ground. It's so delicious. I hope you give it a try. Then we have the classic tamales like rojo, verde, and my unique creation of cochinita pibil tamales, which are wrapped in banana leaves, and they are so scrumptious. There's also bean and cheese tamales, one of our favorites here in my home. For sweet tamales, you can try my piña colada or my strawberry tamale. Now, dessert, an iconic and very traditional pan de muerto. It's quintessential to the holiday and celebrations. This Mexican sweetbread is soft, airy, sweet, and it's flavored with orange blossom water. If you've never tried it, this is the year you need to do so. But if you prefer cookies over pan dulce, then you're going to love my pan de muerto cookies. They are flavored and shaped the same as the bread, but just made into scrumptious cookies. So good. Calabaza en tacha, puerquito cookies, candied sweet potato are three more of my favorite seasonal desserts. Drinks, it's all about warm and aromatic flavors. We have champurrado, which is a thick chocolate drink that is hearty and just warms your soul. Just don't confuse it with chocolate caliente because the two are quite different from each other. They are completely two different drinks. Atole de guayaba and fresa are two more of my favorite seasonal warm drinks. That's it, amigos. Do let me know in the comments which recipes you'll be making to celebrate and honor your loved ones. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes and videos talking more about this very special holiday. Have a beautiful day.